So tonight, me and my wife Sue are going to attempt to make a pizza on a barbecue, on a Weber Master Touch barbecue that we've only just acquired. So here we go. Firstly, we make the pizza dough. A half a teaspoon of easy bake yeast, 300 grams of strong white bread flour. In that goes 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 170 millilitres of water. Close the lid. Then we set our machine here to number 20, which is for pizza dough, which will take about 45 minutes, and off we go. Okay, so first things first, we've got to get the barbecue going. I'm going to use this little bit of tin foil there, pop that in the middle, then one of these little firelighter cube things, put that on there, then on with our Weber chimney starter. We'll give that a little while to get going. Well, that's ready to go. They never cease to amaze me, these things. Now if I try to get an equal amount in each one of these containers in this pretty new Weber Master Touch kettle barbecue, then we go on with this cover, and as you can see in the centre, what they call the trivet, this is now covered in tin foil to help protect the pizza stone. On that goes, and it's got a coating of flour just to stop the pizza sticking when it eventually goes on. Now we can put the lid on and get it up to the right temperature.
Does it need to be?
220 degrees centigrade or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So we've just got to wait for this to get up to the right running temperature. So this is Sue, my wife. She's helping with our delicious pizza that we're going to make tonight. First time on our Weber Master Touch. We've halved the dough. Well, she's halved the dough. There's only 2 of us eating, so we don't want it too big. I must say it's pretty lovely out here in the garden this evening. Let's just pan over and we can show you the new barbecue that we've just acquired.
Look, a heart.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. It's looking good. Not perfectly round, but it's what we call in the trade rustic. So now on with the first layer of tomato paste. Sort of a reduced passata. On that goes. What's going on next then, Sue?
Some pepperoni. It looks spicy, so not too much.
And some lovely red onion. Tomato slices. Followed by mozzarella cheese. And my favourites, anchovies.
They're not my favourites, so they're only going on half.
Oh. Some torn pieces of basil. some cheddar cheese, and yeah, we're good to go. Well, it's at the right temperature now, so on with the pizza. Perfect.
And how long does it need to cook for?
Till it's done. I'm not sure really.
Well, they say about 4 minutes, but let's see.
4 minutes doesn't seem very long at all. Right, time's up. Let's lift the lid off. No, it's looking pretty good to me.
Oh! Oh well, first attempt. Looks good.
Now for the first taste. That's pretty good. Didn't get an anchovy though. I'll take another bite in a minute. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be making one of these pizzas on a barbecue again. It was quite a success really. If you've not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. And I shall see you guys again next time. Bye for now. An anchovy.